Hello everyone, myself Dr. TV Nagaraju. I am working as an associate professor in Department of IT, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. In this session, we are going to discuss about priorities in thread. First of all, why we are using this priority? Simple thing. Multiple threads are executing simultaneously. Suppose during execution, if one thread required for a CPU, okay, we are allocating the CPU for the newly coming thread or stay on the currently executing thread based on the importance of the thread. How you will said that this thread is important, this thread is not at all important? By you assigning the priority number. So in thread the priorities are assigned by given a number from 1 to 10. 1 specify the thread has the lowest priority and 10 specify the thread has the highest priority. Okay. Now, so what is the priority number assigned to thread? How we are assigning priority to threads? For that we are using two methods. The first one is get priority. This method is used to get the assigned priority. Already the thread is allocated with some priority. What is the priority that we assigned? For retrieving that one, we are using this get priority. Similarly, set priority, which is used to assign a new priority for the existing thread. So remember, set priority for setting a priority. Get to priority is just for retrieving what is the priority we already assigned. Now, along with the numbers, some constants are also there for assigning the priority. The constants are min priority. So, the value is 1. Max priority, the value is 10. Norm priority, the value is 5. Means, suppose I want to set the priority as a 10. You can, instead of directly 10, you can use thread.max underscore priority. Already automatically 10 is assigned. 5 norm priority, 1 min priority. Only these three are available. If you want to set other than 1, 5, 10, use the method set priority. By using this method, you can assign any type of priority. Clear? Now, by default, every thread have a priority 5. Now, I will explain with one example how do we create a thread and how do we assign different priorities. Now, create a class demo thread priority. Within this class, so you want to make this one as a thread, what you need to do? Extends the thread class. Yes or no? Compulsory within this one you need to write run method, system.out.println thread priority. Just one statement I written. Why? Because the run method is compulsory while extending the thread. Now directly I am going to the main method. I am setting the priorities. So public static void main now. So for this create two threads. Some T1 is equal to new demo priority. Similarly, T2 is equal to, like this, two threads are created. Now, I am printing what is the default value that is assigned to the thread already. So, system.out.println thread 1 priority plus now T1 dot, how do you get the priority? The predefined method get priority of. So T1 dot get priority, you are getting the priority of thread 1. Similarly, get the priority of thread to T2. Now close the main method, close the class. Now save the program. .java Java C. Now what is the priority of thread 1? 5. What is the priority of thread 2? 5. So we already discussed, by default every thread is associated with a priority of 5. Now according to your requirements, you can change the priority of the threads also. T1 dot set priority of some age. I given priority number 8 for T1. Now what I am doing? So I am displaying two priorities. Again, check what happened. Only the thread priority 1 is changed. See, first thread priority 5, thread priority 5. After changing, the priority of thread 1 is changed to 8 and priority of thread 2 is 5 only. You got it? Now println current thread is thread dot, we have one method is there, current thread of. So this current thread method returns the currently executing thread object. Now I will show the execution. I said it returns a current thread executed object only, not the name. See, threaded, sorry, spelling mistake. Current thread object only. See what it returns? The current thread object only. If you want, you can get on that object, get name of. So you can get the name of the currently executing thread. See, what is the current executing thread? Main. We are under main. The current execution thread is main. If you want, you can change the priorities of the current execution thread. And before that, what is the priority of the current executing thread? Now, system.current_thread priority is thread.current_thread of get priority. Now see, current executed thread priority is 5. That means by default any thread have default priority is 5 only. Now finally what I am doing? Thread dot current thread of, for that I am setting the priority. Suppose I given a value 9. After that again display the value. Now see, the current thread is main thread and its priority number is 9. You got it? So these are the different ways to set the priority. Now here where we are using these priorities, the most important thing, while executing multiple threads required for the CPU at a time. Suppose they are entered into blocked state. In the blocked state, which thread needs to be comes out into the ready state? All these situations, these priorities plays an important role. Clear? This is the concept of thread priority. Thank you.